Hello, welcome back to LUO English Dictionary channel. My name is Nikki.
And my name is Agina.
Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video that we post when we post.
Today we talk about grouped consonants. This is the third video. If you've not seen the other two, please go back to our channel, search for grouped consonants for the C and D. Today we get into MBA, mba, mbe, mbi, mbo, mbu.
Mba, mbe, mbi, mbo, mbu.
So we'll talk about words that have mba, 5 of them, with examples of sentences. Mbe, 5 sentence, mbi, like that, up to mbu. We start with mba, ha, mba, ha.
Mba, ha, mba, ha.
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 Yes, mba, ha. That's ringworms. You know ringworms?
No.
The things that appear on kids' heads, like those things. You know those things?
Yes.
Those are called ringworms. So mba, ha.
Mba, ha.
So, if you in a sentence you can say, Wiyi ni kod kido mag mbaha.
Wiyi ni kod kido mar mbaha.
Wiyi ni kod kido mag mbaha.
Wiyi ni kod kido mag baha.
Mag mbaha.
Mbaha.
So that means your head has
Ringworms.
Ringworms. Kido is nini? Is marks that show ringworms. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah. Mbaka.
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 Mbaka is an argument or a debate. Okay. So, gigoyo mbaka eliare ka gimadho nyuka.
Gigoyo mbaka e liare. Liare ka gigoyo nyuka.
Gigoyo mbaka eliare
Gigoyo mbaka e liare
ka gimadho nyuka.
ka gimadho nyuka.
Gigoyo mbaka eliare ka gimadho nyuka.
Gigoyo mbaka e liare ka gigoyo nyuka.
Ka gimadho nyuka.
Ka gimadho nyuka.
So that means they're debating in the outside in the compound while drinking porridge. You know porridge? Good. Mbala.
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 Not bala. Mbala.
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 Not bala. Mbala.
Mbala.
Yes. Mbala. That's a scar. If you have a scar on your body. Pod an kod mbala mane kidi cha ogoyo wiya lero.
Pod an god mbaya. Mbala.
Just listen and try to say what I say, okay? Pod an kod mbala mane kidi cha ogoyo wiya lero.
Pod an god mbala mane wicha.
Mane kidi cha ogoyo wiya lero.
Ogoyo wiya lero.
Pod an kod mbala
Pod an kod mbala
mane kidi cha ogoyo wiya lero.
Ogoyo wiya lero.
So I still have that mark, that scar that the stone hit my head. That's what it means, okay? Mbalariany.
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 Now recently Mbalariany has been
Changed.
equated to university education. So if you go into university, you say Adi e Mbalariany.
Adi e mbalariany.
But Mbalariany means all over the place. Okay? All over the place. So we shall take the one for university and give that as an example. The last one in Mba series is Mbanya.
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 Mbanya is the gap between the front teeth. There are some people who have a gap here. Oh, like this one. That is Mbanya.
Mbanya.
Nyi alego ni kod mbanya.
Ni Alego, ni kod mbanya.
That means that the girls who come from Alego usually have the gap between their front teeth, okay? That's mbanya.
Mbanya.
The last one is mbawa.
Mbawa.
The reason I talk about mbawa is because some of the politicians have used mbawa in their campaigns. Mbawa means a barrier or a frontier, you know? Like if you want to remove a barrier, you say mukombawa.
Mukombawa.
So mukombawa means I want to remove this barrier. Mukombawa.
Mukombawa.
Yes. Now let's move on to mbe.
Mbe.
Mbe, the first mbe is, this here is pronounced as mbe.
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 The first one is mbedo.
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 Now mbedo is a stick that is hooked like this, for removing. No, like a long stick, but it's used for removing fruits from the tree up there. Like if you want to how you call it? You want to reach a high branch to remove a tree, a fruit, okay? So that's it's called mbedo.
Mbedo.
Yes. Ero mia mbedo.
Ero mia mbedo.
Apon godo mawembe.
Apon godo mawembe.
Ero mia mbedo apon godo mawembe.
Ero mia mbedo apon godo mawembe.
Yes. Ero mia mbedo apon godo mawembe. That means, please give me the stick. I want to remove the mango.
Yeah.
The mango. Mbeko.
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 So mbeko is to tie loosely. If someone was tied, something was tied, then you want to make it loosen. To loosen it, you say ambeko.
Ambeko.
So in a sentence, you say wek mbeko tol no.
Wek mbeko tol no.
Dhiang nyalo buodho.
Dhiang nyalo buodho.
Wek mbeko tol no.
Wek mbeko tol no.
Dhiang nyalo buodho.
Dhiang nyalo buodho.
So wek mbeko tol no means please don't loosen the rope because the cow
Will run away.
will run away. Then we move on to mbero.
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 Mbero is a small chair, a small bench or a small chair. Okay? In a sentence we say, kel mbero, jaduong dwaro bet ogona mbaka.
Kel bero.
Jaduong dwaro bet
Jaduong dwaro bet
ogona mbaka.
ogona mbaka.
Kel mbero,
Kel mbero.
jaduong dwaro bet ogona mbaka.
Jaduong dwaro bet ogona mbaka.
So bring the small chair. The elderly man wants to sit to tell me stories. That's what I mean. Mbetre.
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 Metre.
Mbetre.
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 Metre.
Mbetre is a spy. You know a spy?
Yeah.
Mano chalo jambetre mar pinyno.
Mano chalo jambetre mar pinyno.
That means that looks like a spy for that country. Okay. Mbeche.
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 Mbeche is a wild pig. You know wild pig? Mbeche.
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 So you say one kitwa
One kitwa
ok cham mbeche.
ok cham mbeche.
Our folk don't eat wild pig. We don't, like our family don't eat wild pig, okay?
Doesn't.
Doesn't. Kisungu itaniua. Aya. Let's move on to mbi. This here is mbi.
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 First of all, the first one is mbi itself. Mbi. Ogoya gimbi.
Mbi.
Ogoya gimbi.
Ogoya gimbi.
Ka ogoyi gimbi.
Ka ogoyi gimbi.
To inyalo buok.
To inyalo buok.
So if that's like, if he intimidates you, you can get scared, okay? Ka ogoya gimbi. Ogoya gimbi. He has taken me by surprise. He has intimidated me, you know? Things like that. Mbiru.
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 Mbiru is a type of fish. It's called, in English, it's called carpfish. Carpfish. Carpfish.
Catfish.
Yeah, that one. So, mbiru is a type of fish. But then there is also mbiru, which is a pot for cooking, for brewing traditional beer. Mbiru.
Mbiru.
Kelna mbiru adwa chako nyuo kong'o.
Kelna mbiru adwa chako nyuol kong'o.
Nyuo.
Nyuo konyo.
Kelna mbiru.
Kelna mbiru.
Adwa chako nyuo kong'o.
Adwa chako nyuo konyo.
Kong'o.
Kong'o.
Kelna mbiru.
Kelna mbiru.
Adwa chako nyuo kong'o.
Adwa chako nyuol.
Nyuo kong'o.
Nyuo kongo.
So nyuo is to brew, and kong'o is traditional beer. Okay. So bring me the traditional pot. I want to start brewing beer. Okay. Mbita.
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 Now there's a place in Kenya called Mbita, but Mbita means a straight like between waters. Like if there's a water passing by and there's land this side and there's water and then there's another land, then that place is called Mbita. Okivinji. Okivinji. Mbita means between waters. Like there's a land here, there is water here, and there is water here. Now this place here is called Mbita.
So there is land between waters?
Yes, there is land between waters.
Okay.
Like an islandish kind of thing.
Okay.
So, but there's a place which has that phenomenon in Kenya. It's called Mbita.
Mbita.
Yes, there's a place called Mbita. So, our sentence is Kindru singa kod Mbita.
Kindru singa kod Mbita.
Nitiere Mbita.
Nitiere Mbita.
So between Rusinga and Beta, there's a Beta. There is like the Beta thing is between Rusinga and Beta. Please go to Rusinga if you visit. If you go on your way to Rusinga, I think they've made a bridge there, so you might not see what I'm talking about. The last one is Biko.
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 Nyathino nigi Biko.
Nyathino nigi Biko.
So Biko is a stage in leprosy. You know leprosy is a disease. There's a disease called leprosy. Leprosy. So Biko is a stage in leprosy. Then we move on to Mbo.
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 This here is Mbo.
Mbo.
Mbogo.
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 Mbogo is a sleeping hut for bachelors, okay? Wuoi maduong nyaka nind embogo.
Wuoi maduong nyaka nind embogo.
Yeah, that means the elder son should sleep in that sleeping hut, okay? Wuoi matin nyaka nind embogo.
Wuoi matin nyaka nind embogo.
Mbola.
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 Mbola is a sociable person, like a friendly person, you know, someone who is outgoing and blah blah, always over there, saying hi, saying whatever, you know. That's called Mbola.
Mbola.
Nyathini en jambola.
Nyathini en jambola.
So this kid is a very friendly person, okay? Mbolwa.
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 Mbolwa is a bird. It's called the ibis. You know ibis bird? The bird ibis. A bird called ibis.
I've heard the word ibis, but not the bird.
Oh yeah, you've heard ibis the hotel. The other one is mbowo.
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 Now, mbowo would be, some people say powo.
Powo.
And powo is a kind of plant. Usually it was used for caning children. It makes very good. It's not bamboo, but it's
the other one planted in.
It's a good one for champering kids. Yeah. So powo.
Powo.
But some people call it mbowo.
Mbowo.
Okay. In a sentence we can say kelna powo.
Kelna powo.
Adwa chwado nyathini.
Adwa chwado nyathini.
Bring me that stick. I want to cane this child. But now that is illegal in many places.
Yeah.
Mboto.
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 Now, Bata is a species of hardwood. It's a type of tree that is a hardwood. So you say, Mesani
Mesani
olos kod yien mar mboto.
olos kod yien man mboto.
Mesani
Mesani
olos kod yien mar mboto.
olos kod yien mar mboto.
That means this table has been made using mboto, the species of hardwood tree called mboto. Okay? The last part is mbu.
Mbu.
Mbu. This is mbu.
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 Mbunda.
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 Now mbu and nda there are two of them which are together. So mbunda. Mbunda is stomach cancer. Okay? So we say tuo mar mbunda emane onege.
Tuo mar bunda emane onege.
So she died of stomach cancer or he died of stomach cancer. Tuo mar mbunda emane onege.
Tuo mar bunda emane onege.
The second one is mbora.
Mbora.
Mbora enang. Mbora is what is mbora?
Sheep.
Ayawa. Mbora is a cat.
Oh.
The cat in the house is called mbora. Nyambora.
Nyambora.
Yes, mbora. Mbora. Omondi opidho mbora marateng.
Omondi
Opidho.
opidho mbora marateng.
Chalni en jajuok.
Chalni en jajuok.
What does that sentence mean?
Omondi removed a cat.
Opidho.
Buried a cat.
Ayawa. Omondi keeps a cat at home which is black. It looks like he's a witch.
But I thought Omondi was for boys and Amondi was for girls.
But this is Omondi. Omondi opidho mbura marateng. Chalni en jajuok. Omondi keeps a black cat at home. It looks like, it seems he is a witch. Or
A wizard.
Jajuok is
A wizard.
Oh yeah, that one. A wizard. Okay? Aya. Mbui.
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 Mbui enang.
Wind.
Mbui.
Mbui.
Arwaki mbui. What's mbui?
I want you to help me.
Mbui.
Help.
Mbui. Arwaki mbui mar LUO English
I want to
dictionary.
tell you. No.
Mbui is web.
Web.
You know spider web?
Yes.
That is called mbui.
Mbui.
Now the internet is also called mbui.
Mbui.
Okay?
Yeah.
So, otma otimo mbui
Otma otimo mbui.
en otma olil.
En otma olil.
Otmotimo mbui en otmolil.
Otmotimo mbui en otmolil.
Otmotimo mbui en otmolil.
Otmotimo mbui en otmolil.
That means a house that has spider webs is a dirty house. Okay? Mbure.
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 Mbure is to toss from one side to another. To move from one side to another. Mbure kocha.
Right.
Mbure kocha.
Mbure kocha.
Yes. The last one is mbuwu.
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 Mbuwu is a small owl. You know an owl?
Owl.
Owl.
Yeah.
Hey, kisungu. Owl. That thing. This thing here. Aneno mbuwu etie yien mar poi.
Aneno mbuwu matie yen mboi.
Aneno mbuwu etie yien.
Aneno mbuwu etie yen
Mar poi.
mar poi.
Aneno mbuwu etie yien mar poi.
Aneno mbuwu entie yen mar poi.
Yes. Aneno mbuwu etie yien mar poi.
Aneno mbuwu matie yen.
Etie yien mar poi.
Etie yen mar poi.
Good. Thank you so much for those who've been giving us ideas and commenting on the videos. Please tell your friends to tell your friends to tell your friends. We still have space for everybody else to join us. Subscribe.
Yeah.
Tieki.
Okay. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video that we post
when we post.
Please like the video. You can follow us on our
social media handles.
as LUO English Dictionary.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we only have 2 months left. Actually, less than 2 months.
Yeah, now we have less than 60
1
days
month.
left. And then
Yeah.
Nikki has to tell us all that she's learned since January.
Yeah.
For now,
Oriti.
bye.